Friday, it is El Paso Rhinos hockey. Rhinos in their third game versus the New Mexico Ice Wolves in a big check. New Mexico, that's a good lead pass. Skating in for the breakaway, the deep, the shot, the save by Manzi. Point blank on Leonhill. Working in its Triggs. Triggs drops it for LaBelle. The shot, the score. Mason LaBelle from above the right circle. Out it comes, the shot by Lindsay, deflected, the shot, score from above the left circle. Cam Bazier. Power play goal, El Paso. Rhinos will win that draw. Up the ice, the shot, the score! Frank Tefelsky! Omega Man puts the Rhinos up 3-0 right off the draw. Oh, it's a dance party in Section N. Back in Section N. You know where the dance party is. Play the beats. Those people are going to get into it. Here's Lindsay. Having together, it's Lindsay up top. The shot, save, rebound, loose puck, score! And on the far post, that might be Tefelsky. Indeed it is. Big Frank with his second of the night on the power play. Lindsay sends one in, looking for a deflection, and they get it. It's Bazier's second of the night. Shot through the screen, turned aside Manzi. From the point, Manzi's going to bring it down. That's it. Rhinos making a clean sweep with a 5-1 win. And our thanks to you for watching. We hope you and yours have a very Merry Christmas and the happiest of New Year's. We will see you back here on January 5th for NA 3HL action. For all of us in El Paso, I'm Duke Keith. Your final once again today. The Rhinos 5, the Ice Wolves 1. Until January, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. So long, everybody.